Hello everyone. Leo nataka tujifunze kutengeneza snake game in less than 15 minutes. So this is what you'll do. Ensure that you have this Scratch program, this Scratch application on your mobile phone or on your laptop. So angalia screen yangu. I hope you can see my cursor. On my right side kuna hii sprint imeandikwa sprint 1 ambayo ni hii animation. So nataka click halafu kuja hapa kwa costume. So click kwa costume na make sure this button iko highlighted. Kama haiko highlighted, make sure iko highlighted. And then click kwa hii animation here. So just delete it. Ifute kabisa yote. Alafu kuna hii button. So click this button and then hapa katikati unaweza click anywhere, then you drag your mouse mpaka size unataka, alafu iachilie. So the second thing we are going to do, we are going to rename this sprint. Instead of sprint 1, nataka we rename ikue snake. So utakuja hapa na we rename instead of sprint ieke ikue snake. Yeah, so done. So rudi kwa codes after. Ushamaliza, rudi kwa code. Then we are going to start coding now. So kuna hii block yenye imeandikwa when green flag clicked, drag it and drop it in your worksheet. So kuja hapa chini wameandika variable. There is this palette written variable. So click it. Then you'll see a button written make a variable. So click on it and then I want you to make 3 variables. The first one you'll call it score. And then the second one you will call it direction. Then the third one you'll call it length. So nishamaliza. So cha pili utafanya, nataka udrag hii block yenye imeandikwa set direction. So idrag mara ya kwanza, drag mara ya pili, drag mara ya tatu. Alafu ya kwanza utaiacha ikue direction, lakini hapa penye pameandikwa 0 replace it with right. Then the second one, this is the first one. The second one, this one, you'll click this drop down button, then replace direction with score, then make score 0. Then the third one utaiweka instead of direction you'll call it length to 0. So step 1 done. The second step, I want you to go to motion palette, this one. Then you'll see go to x0 y0. So drag it and drop it under below this. So ukishamaliza hivyo, nataka ukuje hapa penye pameandikwa control. Then you'll see a block written forever. So drag it and drop it below, go to below this blue block. So kisha eka forever, nataka pia udrag if statement, this one utaiweka ndani ya forever. So ukishaiweka ndani ya forever, nataka ukuje hapa kwa green palette, imeandikwa operators. So click it and drag this. Nataka udrag this one. Drag it and drop it inside the if statement. So what the next thing you'll do, go to variables, then drag direction na uiweke hapa ndani. Nitawaambia sababu mbona tunafanya hivyo. Kuanzia hapa kwa forever, why are we piling this together, nitawaambia mbona. So hapa kwa 50, instead of 50 replace it with up. Chani irudishe penye inafaa kuwa, alafu enda kwa motion, you'll see a block written change y by 10. Sorry, yeke hapa, lakini 10 nataka uishukishe, instead of 10 yeke ikuwe 5. So ndio hii nataka, hii block we duplicate, it so that ukuwe na 4 copies, this one and this one. So zieke ndani zote. So zitaonekana hivi. So make sure if statement imejisimamia kivyake ni 4 na zimejipanga hivi. So the first one tulikuwa tumeiweka up, tumeiweka if direction is equals to up, then change y by 5. So the second one I want you to do the vice versa. Instead of up we will change it to down. Then instead of positive 5 here, now we'll replace it with negative 5. Then here instead of hapa tutaondoa hizi blue palette kwa hizi mbili za mwisho, these two, hii na hii. Halafu instead of ikuwe change y by 5 or negative 5, I want you to replace it with change x instead of change y. So after replacing it, now the first one we will change, instead of up, remember we have this, tuko na up, tuko na down, so we are remaining with left and right. So here you'll say right, then make it 5, and then here you'll say left and replace it with negative 5. So nataka ukue keen kabisa, angalia hizi. Remember we are going to make this character whenever we are clicking the right button, the right arrow key ikuwe inaenda the right side. Tukitaka iende the left, tuna click on the left arrow key, so itaenda left. Tukitaka iende juu, tuta click on the up arrow key. Same to down. That's why I have these four blocks. He. So hii tumeweka up, down, right and left. Then remember down and up they are on y axis. Hata tukichora axis yetu y and x, you'll realize that up iko kwa y axis but on the positive side, then down iko kwa also y axis but on the negative side. So when we come to x axis, you'll find that the right side iko kwa the positive side, that's why nimeweka 5, and then the left side iko kwa negative side, so that's why nimeiweka -5. So step tushamaliza hii, but before tutoke hapa nataka tufanye kitu moja so that tutoke kabisa. Kuja kwa control, then you'll drag this this block written create clone of myself, drag it below this, then you'll drag this one written when I start as a clone, then delete this clone, but I want you to set to set it so that it can delete the clone immediately after 0.2 seconds. So ikianza kama clone itaisha tu after 0.2 seconds. So this one tushamalizana nayo. Nataka to create another block ya mwisho kabisa so that tuhusishe hizi codes, hizi buttons zetu zifanye kazi pamoja na hizi codes. So you'll come to event, then drag this button, this block written when space key pressed, so drag it and drop it here. I hope you can see. Let me enlarge it so that everyone can see. Niweke kubwa ndio tuone vizuri. So come na kuja kwa control sasa, drag if statement uiweke chini yake, then make sure hii umeichange kuwe up. Then hapa katikati you'll go to this operators, the green button, click it, then drag this button written note, drag it and drop it inside the if statement. So after kuweka hivyo you'll find that nataka ni incorporate hapa direction, so that when I click the up arrow key I want this character to move upwards, but remember the direction variable iko circle, iko somehow circle, but this one haiko na circle. So what I'll do, I'll come to operators now, bring a block that will be compatible with that variable shape. So drag it, ndio hii nataka uchukue hii yenye imeandikwa is equal to, then drag it inside this green block. After dragging it inside that block, now replace this you will drag and drop this variable called direction inside the green block. Alafu hapa mbele iweke the vice versa, utaeka hapa vice versa ya hii, so huku kikiwa juu hapa eka vice versa. Then look at my code, iangalie vizuri, imeandika when up arrow key pressed, then if not direction, hapo utaeka vice versa ya the opposite of up, so nimeweka down. Then come to my variables, then drag this code written set, you'll set direction to up. So angalia vizuri hapa, nimeweka up, nimeweka down, up. So I started with up, nimeweka down na nikaweka up. So nataka nitengeneza duplicate ya hizi zikuwe 4, so that nikuwe na codes zinasaidia the up arrow key to function, the down, the left and the right. So hii nasaidia the up only, up arrow key only. So I want to also create the blocks that hizi zingine pia zitasaidia hizi zingine. So duplicate this 4 times, eke hivi, duplicate. Yeah, so I have 4. Can enlarge kidogo. So the second one, I want you to do the vice versa of this one. So hapa kwa up eka down, hapa kwa down eka up, then hapa kwa up you'll replace it with down. So look at the first one, ilikuwa up down up, then the second one ni down up down. So this one nataka tuzieke, instead of up na down tuzieke left na right. So hapa utaanza na, naweza anza na any left ama right. So in my case nitaanza na right, na hapa nieke left, then hapa mwisho kabisa nieke right. Yeah, so I have right arrow, left, then right. Tumeanza na right, left, right. So this one taika left, hapa nieke right, alafu ya mwisho nieke left. Yeah. So I hope tumemaliza. I'll send you this on WhatsApp so that pia tunaweza angalia hizi codes vizuri. Ndio hizi codes zangu za hii side ziko sawa. So nataka tutengeneze the apple yenye nyoka ikitembea itakuwa inaenda inakula hiyo apple. You can decide on any character you want. Ukitaka utengeneze apple ikuwe inaliwa, ukitaka orange, anything. So there is this button here. Hii hapa nita click na ni choose apple, but ni kubwa, so I'll resize it. Kuna haka hapa nita click na ni reduce to 50 so that ni reduce kwa size. Yeah, then after resizing it, remember the first codes zilikuwa hapa. Nikiclick hii snake itaniletea my first codes, nikiclick hii apple itaniletea blank. Now I want to generate I want to create codes zenye zitafanya hii apple function so that wakati inaliwa ikuwe inapotea na ina appear in another place. So what I'll do, I'll start with the event. So drag and drop this when green flag, increase the size. Yeah, when green flag clicked, then I'll come to motion, set the direction, hapa to random position. So make sure ni random position, and then come to control, drag forever, and then place it below this blue block. Then drag and drop if statement inside the forever button. Then remember hii nataka ikiguza hii ikuwe inapotea na inapia another place. So what I'll do, nitaenda, remember nataka ikishikana, so nitatumia sensing, then you'll see touch here, you'll see this block written touch. I'll drag and drop it inside if statement so that ikwe, then replace, click hii drop down button, then select snake so that ikwe forever if touching snake, then I want it to disappear then appear in another location, in another random location. So chenye nitafanya, nitarudi tena hapa niseme go to random position hapo. So itakuwa if touching snake then go to random position. So itatoka na ende to another position. So that one iko sawa. So nataka tutengeneze so that ikue wakati ishakula nyoka, ishakula hii tunda, hii score ikuwe inaongezeka, then the length pia ikuwe inaongezeka. So what I'll do, I'll come to my variables, then select then drag and drop inside if statement this block written change direction. So drag it and drop it inside the if statement. So also do it the second time. I'll show you what to do with the second block. So the first one, instead of direction, change it to length, then make length to 0.2. Then this one, the second one, change instead of direction, you'll change equal score, then itakuwa when it touches itakuwa ina increase by 1. Ukiweka 5 itakuwa ina increase by 5. Ukiweka 10 itakuwa inaenda 10, 20, 30, 40 hivyo wakati nyoka ishakula hii tunda. So what I want you to do, the last thing, go back to this snake, click the snake, then instead of let me I hope tunaona, yeah, hapa instead of wait 0.2 seconds, I'll drag and drop this direction, not direction, I'm sorry, I'll drag and drop length inside this so that zikuwe zina coordinate, ikuwe tu inabadilika wakati imeshikana na nyoka peke yake. Hapo ndio itakuwa ina change. So I want us to test our game tuone kama inafanya kazi. So these are my codes. Let me hide these two direction and length. Kutaka ku hide these, you'll see una uncheck hapa. So if uncheck zitakuwa zinapotea, nikicheck zitakuwa zinaapia. So nimezi uncheck, then let us test our game so that we see if it's working. Yeah, so you can see what is happening. Yeah, so our game is working. Yeah, so thank you for your time. The next lesson tutakuwa tunajifunza kuweka game over so that ikifika mwisho ama nyoka yenyewe ikijuma ikuwe inasema game over. So the next lesson next week we are going to learn that one. And I hope hii itawasaidia. In case of any question, just ask. Then I'll send you this code so that you can refer when unatengeneza game yako, unaweza angalia zinakaaje, is it operating. Kama kuna shida, you can debug using my codes. Thank you so much.